It's me, guys.
Wait,
so,
actually,
oh my.
No.
And absolutely
No.
It's like when a deer pees on your hand.
Let me touch your knees.
You guys, we're in this stranger's house right now.
You guys, right now we just ordered the Fall Guys mystery box in a stranger's house.
Yeah.
Oh.
Boop. Dog. What?
You guys. No way.
Is this a Toy Story lunchbox? No way.
Guys,
no way.
this is the real Buzz Lightyear. Yeah, you heard that right.
That's
this was
real
his
Buzz
what,
Lightyear.
You could see this dude. This is literally his lunchbox.
Oh my god. There's even lunchbox stain. Baby Yoda from Baby Yoda. I forgot the name of the show. Baby Yoda from Fortnite.
Okay, ready?
No, but Chewbacca is such a sussy baka in Star Wars because literally baka is in his name and he's such a baka.